Hello there. I am Ethan. Today we examine the role of steel fibers. How do you solve the problem of industrial floor cracking? Crack filling? Surface covering? Use of high-performance materials? Floor cracking is a common problem in building construction, and the reasons may include temperature change, concrete shrinkage, uneven settlement, etc. Don't worry, we have got you covered. The concrete application scenario of steel fiber in the floor. Industrial plant floor, heavy load resistance, crack resistance. Logistics storage floor, resistant to wear, prevent cracks caused by long-term operation of forklift trucks. Parking lot floor, disperse wheel pressure to prevent cracking. Commercial floor, improves durability and aesthetics. Regis, your smart content expert. So, what are you waiting for?